Hey everyone, ever wondered what happens to a property, like a house and lot, when the owner passes away? It becomes part of their estate. Today, we're demystifying a super important process called extrajudicial settlement of estate, or EJS. So, what is it? Extrajudicial means outside of court. It is when the heirs agree among themselves on how to divide the property without a lengthy court battle. It's faster and cheaper. But there are rules. You can only do an EJS if the deceased left no will. All heirs are of legal age, and everyone agrees on the division. If there's any disagreement or a minor heir without a legal guardian, you'll have to go to court. The first step? Hire a lawyer to draft a deed of extrajudicial settlement. After everyone signs, and it's notarized, it needs to be published in a newspaper for 3 weeks. Next, you settle the 6% estate tax with the BUR to get your car, or certificate authorizing registration. With that car, you can finally transfer the title at the Registry of Deeds and update the tax declaration. It sounds complicated, but breaking it down makes it manageable. Always consult a lawyer to guide you through it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like this video and subscribe for more real estate tips. See you in the next one.